Welcome back. So now we're talking about what we call range. Understanding Excel range. Yeah, cell ranges in Excel. So what exactly is a range? Well, just like as you can see on this slide, a range is a collection of selected cells in a worksheet that can be referenced in formulas, functions, and other Excel operators. So ranges can actually be contiguous, that is adjacent cells forming a rectangle, and it can also be non-contiguous, that is separated cells or ranges, and it can also be named ranges. So talking about the contiguous, um, let's save ourselves the stress of understanding the big grammar and let's just go practical. So when you click on one cell, this is just one cell, but a range is a selection of cells. So this is I'm selecting G G4, H4, I4, and J4. Now that is already a range like that. This is like a range. It's already you can see the shape is already rectangular. Now sometimes a shape goes beyond a row and spans across rows. So this is a whole range as it is right now. So if I do something like this, you mean so it equals to, look at this, G3, and then I hold down shift and arrow left, and I do scroll down. Can you see that it's telling me this? What I have here is what I have here anyway. Now it's equals to G3 cell G3 down to H11. As you can see, H11. So that is what we call range. It's like a range of cells, and it could either be together. So in most cases, in real life scenario, you use it to oh man, sorry. All right, in a real life scenario, you want to use it to highlight probably a part of a table. For instance, I want to see um, just the names. I could just say I want to highlight only the names, or yeah, only the names of the footballers. That is B3, B3 to B12. That is, if I click enter, it just paste those what I highlighted. Paste it here. But you can see that this is having a different kind of border. It's having a unusual border and a different kind of look. That's because it was a copied range. So that is just one instance. You can also do I can also do something like equal to, I click on this and then I click on this. Say I'm clicking on separate things. It's not like a joint range. Can you see, just separate like this, scattered? You can see that they are all separated by commas, and that is the part of non-contiguous. The first one that they are all like together. You see the range value is always denoted by a colon. The colon means two. So this is A1, cell A1 to cell B5. But the non-contiguous is separated by commas. And then we have the named ranges as well, which is not something you should really bother about. So finally here, I say range notation. Ranges are typically denoted using the colon. Like I said before, between the first and the last cell reference. So we can have A1 to A10. This is the vertical column range. Let's do that. A1 to A10. If I click on this, okay, it's not even selecting because they are all they are all different data types and they can't be imputed together. So we can select A1 like this too. Okay, this is A1. Let's select from A2 because we've already merged this place, so we can't select it again. A2 down to A10. This is okay. Let me show you where you can see it equals to A2. Select it down to A. You can see that it counts here. While I'm scrolling up or down, it's counting A7, A8, A9, A10. Can you see that after highlighting it, there's a dancing border? So that's an example of a vertical, range, a column range. And then I also have the horizontal, that's the row range. So you can do A1 to F1, that's an instance. That is, so if I click on this, I have it here. You can also do the vertical, that is, okay, let me have equals to, first of all, equal to, and highlight this and highlight to the right. So this is highlighting a whole, just the same one row but various columns. So on this row 2, I have A2, B2, C2, D2, E2, up to F2, and that's what we have here. So when I hit enter, it just pastes them over there. So we're going to have to use ranges as well, but you should understand that beyond the copying, the professional term is range, Excel range. So that is basically what ranges are about. And like I already explained, the block range, rectangular, where that is the same, the contiguous. So see you in the next video. In the next video, we'll be going into a mini project. It's going to be wonderful. It will be, might take some time, but we'll work it out. And after the project, you might also want to try it out as well. So see you in the next couple of mini project videos.